Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy items from Yupoo without Weidian links. So first, find something you like on Yupoo and then copy the code. After that, go to bmlin-decoder.netlify.app and then paste the code. Now you can see the actual price of the product. After that, go back to Yupoo and copy the link of the product. Go to Panda Buy and then paste it in the search bar. Enter your size in specification and then enter the price listed in the decoder. Add the shipping fee and then buy it like normal. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching!